15. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hit it. 50, right 5 plus, 50. Left 5, tightens to 4, long, 150. Right 4, into crest 40. Left 4 plus, 100. Right 5 plus, 70. And long small crest, 100. Left 6, 70. Left 4 plus long, 70. Then right 4 plus, tightens 3 plus long. Right 4 plus, tightens 3 plus long, 50. Left 5 over small crest, 180.
Sorry, I saw a G.
Yep. Right 5, 70, turn, left 3 plus long, 70. Right 4 minus long, into left 4 plus long over small crest, 250. Long small crest, 40, then right 5 over small crest, into left 5. Over small crest, 50, then turn, right 4 plus over crest, 70. Left 5 minus long.
Oops, sorry.
Into right 6 long over crest, 70. Then left 5 minus long. Into loose, into care long crest, 20. Right 3 over crest, tightens, loose.
Okay, this is
Right 3 over crest, tightens, loose. This is a different one.
Okay, yep.
30. Left 4 plus over small crest, opens and tightens to 470. Small crest, into right 5 plus, 70. Left 4, 30. Right 4 long. Into left 5 plus, 250. Loose starts now. Into right 4 long, tightens, 200. Left 5 minus over small crest, 350. Up there is a left 4 plus long. And right 5 long. 150. Then stay right over small crest, 50. Left 4, 120. Right 4 plus, opens loose. Over small crest, 120. Left 6 tightens over long small crest, loose, 50. And right 5, 100. Then small crest 40, right 4 plus over small crest 70. Then left 5 plus, and double caution, long crest braking over 70, 30, right 3 plus, loose.
Right?
Yes, right,
Okay,
3 plus, loose. Then left 5, loose ends now, 350. Up there's a right 4 plus long, 70. And long crest 200. Then left 5 plus very long, 70. Stay right over long small crest, then 300. And small crest, slowing 70. Small crest into left 5 minus long and loose, 100. Then right 6 long, tightens to 5 minus long. Then opens over long small crest, 50. Right 5, 70. And left 5 minus long, opens over small crest, then tightens to 5, 70, and right 6, 300, small crest into right 6, 50, and small crest 20, left 5 over crest, no cut, 200, right 6 over small crest, tightens 5 plus over crest, 50, left 6 long, tightens 50, flat over finish to left 6 long. Nice, dude.
Good job, buddy.
You too. Great weekend.
You as
Hell of
well.
a drive.
That was fun.
That was so much fun.
That was good. I think we do better.